Now to rent a phone number, just click on rent house. Then after that, you click on rent number. And right here, you can choose whatever country number you want. They actually have more countries, but these are the ones available currently. But I'm sure by the time you're watching this video, other countries will be available. Then after that, you click on duration. Then that is it. If you have any discount code, you can apply it here. Then you click on proceed. Then after that, you click on rent number, and you're going to get your number. And as you can see, this is the number we just rented right here. After that, you can click on awesome here. Then all you have to do to get your code is just to copy your number, then put it in whatever platform you want to use it on. They're going to send code, and the code is going to display right here. If you don't want the number, if for example after you make purchase on the number, you don't want the number, as long as you've not used the number for any code at all, you can click on refund and you're going to get refunded.